It's just really different to any other part of the festival. So you can come, chill out, do some crafts.
I've been coming for years and yeah, it's just wonderful to watch everybody doing stuff.
It's just so relaxed and everything. You can get away from the crowds. Everyone's really friendly. You can just stop for a chat with anyone at any of the stalls.
You can kind of wander around when you're hanging a little bit, have a nice time, sit down, do something productive.
I think it gives you an opportunity to hands-on experience and maybe do things which you wouldn't do on a day-to-day basis. I spend most of my time in front of a computer, but I like the hands-on experience, so it gives you the opportunity to spend even 30 minutes or so trying different skills and stuff.
Where else do you see such lovely things being made by people's hands? You just don't see them anywhere else, and it's a lovely opportunity to see how things are made.
I think it's just like a nice calm space to go away from like all the mad rush of the pyramid stage and stuff. So like, it's just nice to come and take a breather, and then you can make something permanent to take home and remind you of Glastonbury.
The appeal is the variety, I think. Up here it's so chilled and so nice. Everyone is just ridiculously friendly. You've got so many like incredible conversations you can have with people that sort of, you know, people from all walks of life that you don't really meet, and so many different things to do and try out.
I think the appeal of the area, it's got a really nice vibe and everyone around here is really friendly. Yeah, no, it's a really good time.